Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. Today I'm going to show you how I make this delicious frozen grape lemonade. Y'all, it is screaming hot in Texas, and I just wanted to make something delicious, refreshing, and I've never made this version on my channel before, so I wanted to show it to you guys. So let's get into it. So I've never made a simple syrup with regular grapes. I usually use the black grapes because it will give me more color, but I'm going to use these today. And at this moment, I was hoping and praying I would get at least a little bit of color. Any kind of color. I know the flavor will be there, but at least a little bit of color. So you want to heat this up on the stove for about 10 minutes. These are the rest of the ingredients. I have lemons, lime, honey, and water. We're not going to use much of the honey. You don't want to make this overly sweet. But I'm going to build the whole entire thing in the blender. So I'm going to add all my lemon juice, the juice from all my lemons, and my lime. And I'm going to move on from there. I just love fresh lemons, you guys. There's nothing wrong with the bottled stuff. If you really want to use the bottled stuff, then go ahead. But the fresh lemons for lemonade, I think, is spot on. Next, I'm going to put 2 baby squirts of, no pun intended, of honey and a little bit of water. You don't want to put too much water, you guys, because you don't want it to be like juice. You want it to be frozen. So I'm going to show you exactly what it looks like. Your water should never be more than your ice, and it shouldn't be equal. It should be less, so that it can be nice and frozen. Oh, y'all, look at my screen shaking because the table is shaking. But this is what it looks like, and now I'm just going to assemble it. I always tell you guys when I make these drinks, I freeze my glass in cups. So I had my glass sitting in the freezer for about 30 minutes. And see, look how solid this is. I couldn't even get it out. Okay, now I'm getting it out. You want to put it halfway up or in thirds, and then I'm going to add the syrup. As you can see, I did end up getting some color, so I'm happy about that. And now you're just going to pour the syrup in the middle, about 2 to 3 tablespoons of it. Well, that looks a lot more than 2 to 3 tablespoons, honey, but it doesn't matter. Just put it in the middle. And then you're going to finish it on top with some more frozen lemonade, just like this. And then a little more syrup on top. And y'all, look at the color. It's so pretty, and this drink was so delicious. So to finish this off, I'm topping it with some frozen grapes. I did put some grapes to freeze for about an hour or so. These are what they look like. I wanted y'all to see. Excuse my chef hands, y'all. Y'all know I wash my hands a lot, so it's tore up, honey. But the drink was great. I hope you guys give it a try. It's hot in Texas. What's the temperature where y'all are from? Is it hot in your city or state? Let me know. Comment below. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your support, and I'll catch you guys on my next video. Bye, y'all.